Hi, I'm the Cowboy Som, and this is my YouTube channel. I'm a certified sommelier, and when I was going through my sommelier training, they really educated us on a couple areas in the United States for wine. Specifically, it was Napa, Sonoma, Willamette Valley, the Columbia River Valley in Washington State, and the Finger Lakes. But then as I worked my way through the industry, I started to hear a comment. And that comment that I consistently heard was, hey, did you know there's wine being produced in all 50 states? And that got me thinking, hey, maybe I should go try those wines in all 50 states. So that's what I'm gonna do. This YouTube channel is gonna document my trip to all 50 states to try wine. And I'm excited to see what each state is gonna pour for me. So come with me on a wine adventure for the ages.